softly drifting, slowly breathing, guide me through the night. Shadows fade, the silence grows, colors bloom where the cold wind blows. I close my eyes, the stars collide. Aurora glows with arms open wide. Aurora nights, endless light, painting dreams across the night. Aurora nights carry me to the place where time runs free. Frozen air, a gentle sound, echoes rising from the ground. Every breath, a gentle flame calling softly, whispering my